Hello everyone. So if you wanna set up a face recognition on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, you are to open up your settings, scroll down to your fingerprints, face data and screen lock, tap here. Now you're to choose a face unlock. So let's tap here and now you're to add your face data. Press next. Also, if you don't have a screen lock yet, like pattern, pin or password, you will be prompted to create it first. So let's create it first. Let's create our password. Alright, press got it. Now set up your password. So let's set up something easy. Press continue. Let's confirm our password. Alright, so now simply follow the on-screen instructions. Press start. You will be prompted to press next right here. So press next. Now put your face inside the frame. Alright, so the new face was added successfully. You can give it a name. I'll just leave it as a face. Press done. And now let's try to unlock it with our face recognition. Just like this. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.